If you have a plug that will not fit through the opening in the transition link of the PivyCord here, such as this, in addition to the chain that you have, you're going to need this modified transition link that we will send you, and you'll need the screwdriver and also a pair of pliers. Kind of any pliers will do. Okay, so to do this, what we want to do is first make sure that all of the latches on the links adjacent here to the transition link are open. So if you have any that are closed, just open them like this. Make sure they're open. And then we're going to separate a link that has this bifurcated end here connected to it. We're going to skip over this one chain link and just disconnect at the next chain section right here. Set that aside. So this will be this side down portion of the chain. And then here on this side of the transition link, you'll disconnect actually the chain link from the transition link itself. So you'll disconnect right here like that. And this is your old transition link. So let's get back to this side of this side down chain section. So the top side here, we're going to want to connect this chain link up to this portion of the new revised transition link. So we'll snap that in there. And now you're going to want to go ahead with the installation procedure. However, instead of having this chain connected like this, we're going to leave this disconnected and snap the bottom and top into place. And then once you have, let's say coming from the top, let's say you have this cable with a cable end that's too large, you can set it in place in your chain here. And now what you can do is take this mating link and just connect this right over top. And so now you've got this large-headed connector through the opening, and you'll notice that these they're not quite tight yet. So what we're going to do is just take the pliers and push them together so the pin fits into the hole, the mating hole there. And now you should be able to go through with the rest of your installation.